Business Capability Management. Define business capabilities. Step 1. Capability Map. Business capabilities are an approach to viewing and assessing the enterprise based on business activities independent of specific existing workflows and organizational silos. Business capabilities promote better understanding between business and IT by enabling the business to formulate their requirements in a non-technical yet functionally precise way. Capabilities are defined and mapped in a hierarchical structure, with each subsequent hierarchical level representing a more detailed level of activity to the point where they can be associated with the IT that supports them. In doing so, as the enterprise evaluates its critical areas of focus, IT can better identify where to apply its efforts in order to help the enterprise achieve its business goals. Domains. planningIT supports structuring of an enterprise into domains to better manage the complexity of business and IT. In business capability management, they are used to represent the first levels in a capability map. The top-level business capabilities in this example are corporate management, market development, and so on down to oversight. Business functions. As of a certain level of detail, capabilities are modeled as business functions to be able to map capabilities to the actual ICTs supporting the business capability. Business functions are artifacts contained in planningIT's logical inventory. Here, the business function Update Product Catalog is a subcapability of the product development capability. Architecture artifacts. planningIT captures all of the artifacts contained in the business, information, technical, and application architectures in a structured and organized information platform. As such, it is able to associate pieces of the architectures to their corresponding capabilities. Here you can see the different types of architecture artifacts that can be reviewed, such as business processes, applications, and business objects. Business processes. Here we see that by clicking on Business Processes in the previous screen, a list of all business processes supporting the business capability, trading, are displayed. The user now understands what business processes would be affected if activities around the trading business capability would be initiated. Step 2. Evaluate critical performance areas. Capability Map Evaluation. In order to maximize the potential that lies within capability maps, it is necessary to assess the capabilities as to their contribution to achieving the corporate strategy. In line with its strong analysis functionality, planningIT supports the capability evaluation phase by allowing definition of evaluation criteria and indicator types. The outcome demonstrates to business and IT where it is necessary to focus and what type of action is possibly required. In this capability map evaluation, we see some of the criteria defined for evaluating the business capabilities. The main category of these criteria, or evaluation type in planningIT, is revenue contribution. Differentiating characteristic, revenue lever, and revenue risk are part of this category. Capability Map Evaluation. Here you can also see how contributors have evaluated the current and planned significance of the criteria according to the defined corporate strategy. Capability Map Summary. On this Capability Map Summary, you see other criteria categories such as maturity, regulated, interdependency, and performance. Capability map summaries show evaluation results in a consolidated format and enable what-if scenarios by changing the relative weights of criteria. This map displays the evaluation results for the current state of capabilities. Delta. planningIT's Capability Map Summary also presents the evaluation results as deltas between current and planned statuses, thus indicating at a glance where the largest effort needs to be placed. Here, for example, we see that there are some issues that need to be looked at in the area of trading, as there are obvious gaps between current and future importance for most of the criteria. At this point, demands can be generated for IT to research specific areas of IT support for the business. From anywhere in the capability analysis process, the user can drill down to see the associated IT architecture. The user thus has an understanding of where to optimize IT support if that particular capability is deemed critical and in need of improvement. Step 3. Identify IT improvement areas. Capability Architecture Diagram. planningIT provides multiple means to visually represent information and thus enable the user to find just the right picture for the intended audience. This Capability Architecture Diagram shows the architecture associated with the trading domain. It shows the capabilities, associated business processes, and the underlying IT. The user can drill down on any part of the diagram to see detailed information of the architecture artifact. The benefit of the capability approach is well documented here. The diagram shows that one capability is used in several processes, which is good. What the diagram also shows, however, is that there are 3 applications used to implement the capability. This is a potential waste of investment. Application Portfolio. The next step would be to analyze the applications supporting the trading capability. We can see in the application portfolio that according to the criteria business alignment and technical alignment, FX and MM and TradeNet do not perform as strongly as SunGuard. It is here that we can start looking at these applications as possible candidates for retirement. Thank you for visiting our product tour, Business Capability Management.